This is trusted and proven formula for brightening and repair body oil. You heard me right. It will brighten your skin and it will repair your skin. Meaning if you have uneven skin tone, dark knuckles, dark feet, dark neck, any kind form of discoloration on your skin, this oil will help to unify your skin, and then it will gradually brighten your skin. A healthy brightening. On top of it, it will glow your skin. So if today is your first time viewing this channel, do it to subscribe to this channel, like, comment, ask questions if you have any. To my returning subscribers, welcome back. I see you, I love you, thank you for the support. Let's continue. So that is turmeric, right? There's fresh turmeric. I will not recommend you using turmeric powder. Just get the fresh turmeric. I feel like any season you can get fresh turmeric. There's no time that there's no fresh turmeric. So just try and get your fresh turmeric for this formula. Is important. And then this is lemon. So turmeric contains compound called curcumin, though it's from curcuminoids to converted to curcumin, which have antioxidant and anti-inflammatory. This antioxidant and anti-inflammatory is what helps skin heals. It's very good when it comes to skin healing, skin repair, brightening of the skin, support collagen production. Is very, very good when it comes to skin. So turmeric that you see, whether drinking it or applying it on your skin, it has a lot of health benefits. It protects from environmental damage. It's very, very good when it comes to skin. So that's why I said try and get the fresh one for this recipe. Again, lemon contains citric acid, which is very good when it comes to exfoliating your skin. You get all those dead skin cells on sleeping on your body, on your skin. It will help exfoliate it, gradually brightening your skin. So combination of these two will help repair your skin, heal your skin from in out, and then brighten your skin as well. So that's why I decided to, let me show you this recipe. There are a lot of oils out there in the market that they will just infuse or fry turmeric, and then they will bottle it and start saying whitening or super whitening oil. Girl, it will not whiten your skin. Even if you use it 1 bottle, 2 bottle, even if you use 10 bottles, it will never whiten your skin. But then to avoid that high cost of buying the oil and it will not even do the job, why not just do it yourself? You get that way, what you're applying on your skin, and then you have beat the cost. You get, so you get these two. Wash your lemon thoroughly. Wash it. You are using the zest, the lemon zest, as you see me do. Like I remove the lemon zest, then put your suitable oil. In this situation, I use coconut oil. This is cold pressed coconut oil. You can use either sunflower oil, almond oil, sweet almond oil. There are a lot of oils out there, carrier oils, but this one I use coconut oil because this is body oil. I'm not using it on the face. I have sensitive skin. If you have sensitive skin out there, do not use this oil on your face because coconut oil tend to clog pore. So just use it on your body, not on the face. This oil is going to be used on the body, not on the face. That is why we make use of coconut oil, please. So in place of that, if you want to use it on your face, you can use sunflower oil, grapeseed oil, rosehip oil. All this oil, jojoba oil, all these oil are good oil for the face, but no coconut oil. So as you can see, you put it on low heat, very, very low heat. Do not boil, do not fry this, don't let it burn. On a very, very low heat, for the turmeric and the lemon to simmer. When you are done with that, strain the oil and then use vitamin E. This is tocopherol. It's a powerful form of vitamin E. You can use any form of vitamin E you have. As you can see, it's so thick, so I use small amount. There's no measurement for this recipe, just use your head, okay? So again, I'm going to be using frankincense essential oil for this. It's good for firming skin, good for anti-aging. It has a lot of benefits. Frankincense, you can check it out. I'm making the voice over up head, so of course. So after the vitamin E and the essential oil, you can use any form of essential oil, be it orange essential oil, rose, any form of essential oil you can lay your hand on, because mixing carrier oil and essential oil boosts the effectiveness of oil. A lot of you people don't know that, but then you cannot just make oil using only carrier oil and expect it to be effective as of that one that was used together with essential oil. It boosts the effectiveness of that oil. So try and get your essential oil any form. Just do your research. So that is all for this oil. We don't need any preservative, because oil, you don't preserve oil. It has its own natural preservative. It doesn't contain any water, so it's not going to spoil. So don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Like this video. I have tons of videos in this channel that you can check and see. I'm sure it will benefit you. And then if you want to learn how to formulate skincare product from scratch, effective skincare product, there is link in my description box. You chat me directly on WhatsApp and we talk. So like I said, thank you. Bye.